Hey everybody, it's Matt Collins with eXp Realty, here with Taylor Perry with Van Dyke Mortgage. And today we just wanted to ask the question, should I wait until the prices go down before I buy my first home? From a real estate perspective, nobody's expecting the home prices to depreciate. So we are expecting the prices to stop accelerating at such a feverish pitch, but nobody's expecting those prices to come down at all. Taylor, from a mortgage standpoint, is now the right time to buy a house?
Well, realistically, we've seen rates go up. We don't expect them to go back down. We do expect to see that roller coaster ride continue up. So, is it the right time to buy a house? Well, think about if you're renting right now, your rent payment is 100% interest versus 5-6%, whatever you're going to pay on a mortgage. Pretty sure this is better than 100%. So, is it the right time? Very likely, yes.
So a very good point. Now is a perfect time to stop that rent cycle.
Right.
All right.
Break the rent cycle.
Well, great. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, we'll talk to you soon.